Welcome back to another live trade with our pre-market analysis for Tuesday. Very similar to yesterday. We're consolidating between two zones on both NQ and ES. On NQ, we have a 45-minute and a 3-hour supply up top. We have support, and then we have a 3-hour demand. On ES, we have a 1-hour and then a 3-hour supply, and then we have demand down low. So let's see if our key levels get hit. We're going to trade more selectively and more carefully, and let's get to it. For an entry here, we slammed down really hard. This is NQ. This is a 3-hour demand. Looking for a possible lower low and then a reclaim of that low to enter. Maybe even a higher low if we see enough volume. I'm going to place my limit order now. A lot of volume coming here. Tapping that demand zone right now. Let's see what the reaction is. A lot of volume. Just slicing through the zone so far. Changing my order. Big bounce here. I'm in. I saw a huge reaction after breaking this low in this demand zone. I love how it looks. So we took it long. Should have probably waited for this confirmation candle to close, because now that it closed, I don't really love how it looks. I wanted it to close green. Here we go, some good volume coming in. So it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't necessarily look really good. I wanted to reclaim this low by now. Again, bought up. Look at these wicks. It's catching a lot of demand here, but if we slice through it, the zone will be done and we're going to drop hard. But I'll be out of the trade by then. Oh, it's an ugly close right there. Okay. Point from stopped out. Too bad. This is the bottom of the demand zone, so if we go through that, demand is done. It's too bad. Oh.
Order filled.
Yeah, I had to re-enter it. I still think demand is here. Keeping my stop right there at the bottom of the zone. This is the last trade of the day, second trade. That's how I do it. And let's see how it works. Some good buying here. I might have just got stop hunted on that candle. That's why I re-entered. I just saw a lot of demand still there. Alright.
Order filled.
Gotta lock myself out again. Oh boy. Not a good trading day. Down 325. Still up on the week. Or we're down on the week, but we're still up on the month. Yeah, this is how the Topstep's looking. Our win rate so far is pretty terrible, honestly. We have a 26% win rate. We're still up on the account, but our win rate is terrible, so we gotta look into that. Our average win to loss is still good enough to survive. I need to be taking better setups. I shouldn't have re-entered that loser. But I'm going to go to Thinkorswim and go over what I saw for today, and that'll be that. Thinkorswim, this is what I saw for this trade. Took it on NQ. This is a 3-hour demand stretching back to Sunday night, Monday morning. We sold off really hard this morning, directly straight down, directly into the zone. We had a huge bounce from the beginning of the zone. Where I missed the trade, and then I was looking for a retest of the zone and either a higher low or a reclaim of this low, and we started to reclaim it on this candle, and I entered up here when we reclaimed it, expecting for it to close green and actually reclaim it, and it ended up closing red, a false reclaim. And that was kind of confirmation that this trade wasn't going to work out. So I really shouldn't have taken that second trade. But, yeah. Didn't work out today. I'm gonna be back on my next live trade and comment how you traded today. It's been rough conditions, but hopefully somebody made some money on this drop.